Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to explore new Elicit tool, that is the upgraded Elicit tool. So hope many of you are aware about that. Elicit is a tool where you can make your literature survey very better. So it acts as a search engine. You can search that tool and it will generate different papers. You can analyze the papers from that search, so you can get summarization, abstract and main findings, so like that you will be getting. So there will be no option in by uploading a paper in Elicit. So in new Elicit it has an option called uploading a paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore how that new Elicit will be and how it will works and what are the different plans and pricings available in this new Elicit tool. Just to go on to Google, type on Elicit. So it leads to their new website. So this is the new website. So here updated one. So here you can see old.elicit.org. So I am going to open. So thereby you will have a better difference between the two tools. Updated one. So this is how the new version, old version of Elicit will be. So Elicit will find answers from some 175 million papers. For example, say I am going to search multiport converter, means it will generate different papers related with multiport converter. So it will take several seconds to generate. So now it made a bit slower down. So in this Elicit, what is the main drawbacks in the old Elicit is that so you cannot get the paper you want. So you will get mostly recent relevant paper only you will get. So if you are searching a paper, so sometimes you will get, sometimes you may not get in that old Elicit. So because sometimes the database have not uploaded the particular paper. So here you can see these are the different papers related with the multiport converters generated. So in this you can analyze that. So this is abstract summary. So you can click on outcome measured. It will generate the outcome measured. So number of participants. So like that it will generate a better analysis of the particular paper. Sometimes you may not get the paper you want. So the perfect paper you want, you may not get. So in order to explore that kind of paper, you are in need to upload that paper and get itself analyzed. That option will be introduced in this new Elicit. So here you can see this is the new version of your Elicit. So here you will be having different options added. So find papers is the same thing which is available in the old Elicit. So you can see find papers. So as like a that is chat. So here, so extract data from PDFs. So here what you have to do is you can update or extract data from PDF. So click on. So here you can upload your paper. For example, say I am going to upload my paper. So go on and upload your paper. So I am going to take randomly a paper which is often used to upload. Click on upload PDF. So this is the paper we have uploaded, new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application in fuzzy mobile robot. So click on the paper we have uploaded, then click OK. So here you will be getting a dashboard like this here, that is your paper. So in this an important option called add columns. So just to click on that add columns. So you can click whatever you want. For example, there are different options available: intervention, outcome measured, duration, participant age, participant count, religion, study count. Next you can see summary of the paper. For example, you can type summary. So you can get summary. Next main findings. So like that you can select. I am going to click outcome measured and then limitations. Next abstract summary. So these are the things I want in that particular paper. So let us see how it will generate. So you can click whatever you want. So here a limitation is available, so you can click on limitation itself. No need to write limitation. So already inbuilt it is available, limitation. So after that you can click on save. So it will start to generate the things we have asked for. So first one is outcome measure. So the performance of different variants of the ant colony optimization, diversity control in ant colony optimization, convergence of fuzzy logic controller, optimization of membership functions for a unicycle mobile robot trajectory control. So next you can see the summary. So the text explains the fuzzy controls is a fruitful area of research in the application of fuzzy sets and fuzzy logic. It also mentioned that fuzzy logic controller are useful when processes are too complex for analysis by conventional quantitative techniques. So next one is that main findings of the particular paper. So here you can see this is the main findings. The main findings were that proposed method improved the results of the strategy studies, obtaining lower averages and reaching the global minimum on more occasions than the analyzed variance. So this is very important. What is the main objective or main finding of the particular paper? So like that you can add different columns and analyze the paper very better. So after that, this is the first paper means, so you can add another paper with that. So you can click on and add another paper. So like that you can make a list of the references you are going to take, and then you can analyze every references in this different columns categories. So this is the better option in this Elicit. So here by clicking itself you will be getting. Next you can see list of concepts. So here what are the concepts are looking for across papers. So you can click on what are the concepts you need, thereby it will generate the content. For example, say I am going to click grid connected solar PV system. So here you can see residential grid connection solar PV system. So here you can see the source also will be generated. So found 40 paper, so found 36 concepts in 40 paper. So found unique concepts. For next to find final answer. So here you can see this is the paper grid connected SCCC implemented using DSP. The proposed grid connected SCCS solar energy conversion system is implemented using digital signal processor, and its application and this performance is verified, simulated and test results were obtained. So like that you can get the concept of a particular paper detailedly. So like that, so here you can see for everything you will be having the detailed explanation of the particular paper. So like that the concepts can be explained using the research paper in this Elicit, new Elicit one. So next, so these are the three different important options available in this Elicit new. So in Elicit, Elicit old version of Elicit, it will take little bit time to generate the content. So when compared with Elicit, new Elicit will be very faster, and also you can upload the PDF and get your data very much analyzed for your literature review writing. So this is all about this Elicit new. So you can go on and explore this Elicit Elicit AI tool. So it will be one of the better tool for your literature review. As far as this pricing is concerned, so you can get 5000 credits for free. So in order to get more credits, so you have to go for this subscription option. So in this subscription option you will be having different credit values and their prices. So if you are interested in, you can go on and make a subscription. So this is all about this Elicit AI. So in this video we have discussed the two important features which is added in the new Elicit AI, that is you can upload PDF and get itself analyzed. Next there are lists of concept column. So in this you can click on and get the better idea about the concept and their respective research papers. So another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing with ChatGPT and AI toolbox. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you with different AI tools which will be very useful for research paper writing. So especially those who are struggling with literature review, there are many special tools for literature review alone is will be available in the market. So these are the tools we are going to explore in this workshop, and also we are going to introduce what are the different ChatGPT prompts for research and how you can use that ChatGPT prompts to generate better articles for your research paper writing. So these are the things also we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the description will be given in the the link of the registration will be given in the description of the video. So see you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video. So you will be getting a better idea about two different versions of Elicit. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.